Hello mga ka-drums, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the age limit of the au pair program. Bakit nililimitahan ang participation of this program? But before that, I just want to say thank you for visiting my YouTube channel again. I really appreciate that. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below. Okay, let's go back to the topic. Why in some countries like Netherlands, Denmark, Germany, and other countries have age limit? Why don't they allow people above 30 years old to be part of the program, where anyone can be an au pair, anyone can be an extended member of the host family, anyone can help the family, anyone can learn the country's language and culture. Anyone can do those things naman, diba? But yeah, unfortunately, au pair has rules and regulations to follow. And I have 3 key points here. Okay, the first point here is the purpose of the au pair position is to give young person from 17 to 30 years old to have the opportunity to learn the country's language and culture, but in return yun nga, they have to help the family with some light housework. Light housework means child care. For example, tidying up kids' room, order toys, picking them up from and to sa school, babysitting, or prepare food and snacks para sa mga bata. Yung mga ganoon na light housework, anything na related sa bata. So, ang next point here is, the purpose of the au pair position is not to hire an employee. Hindi ka nila trabahante, rather an extended member of the family. Although, you have to help nga with some light housework for no more than 25 to 30 hours per week. And also, you can live with the family for a maximum of 1 year to 2 years. Depende din yan sa country. Kaya, mayroon kayong written contract between the au pair and the host family para ma-avoid ang misuse of the program, para ma-follow ninyo ang au pair rules and regulation, and para ma-iwasan ang abuso of the rights between the au pair and the host family. It's a mutual trust ba? Parang ganon. Okay, so yung pangatlong point here is yung concern nila for older people who want to become an au pair for the reason to settle in sa host country nila. Like for example, ayaw na nila na umuwi kasi diba it's really an opportunity na makapag-abroad and finally nakapag-get out na sila from their home country. One of the au pair rules is when you finish the program or your au pair contract ends or na-reach mo na ang maximum years to live in your host country, is either you have to return home or move somewhere else. Kaya lahat ng mga interview na pinagdadaanan ko, when they ask me what to do when your au pair contract ends, I always have the same answer, to return home doon sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga, ang reason naman talaga why I participated in this program is to learn the country's language and culture and not about work. When you apply for visa, ang edad ang isa sa basihan nila. Of course, may ibang factors din na kung i-grant ba nila or hindi. But if you meet all the requirements sa au pair program, then you have the big chance na magiging au pair ka, na ma-approve yung visa mo. I hope you get the answer kung bakit may age limit ang au pair program. And if you are an aspiring au pair, and yeah, you needed more tips and guidelines about the program, please stay tuned in this channel. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe.